Hello everyone, welcoming all of you to a new video. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'll be showing few curries which we can prepare for our regular meal. And the speciality is all these are veg. It's easy to prepare and tasty ones. Keep watching. The first one is a fish curry without fish. We all love to have fish curry, right? But sometimes we don't have fish at home. Still, we can make curry which is of the same taste as that of fish curry but without fish. And then we will see the easy preparation for yam in two different ways. To make the fish curry without fish, I am taking two different kinds of vegetables. One is brinjal and the other one is drumstick. I have taken small brinjal, almost 5 pieces, and those are cut lengthwise. I have taken one medium sized tomato which is also cut into lengthwise. Then 2 green chilies. Next we need to prepare a gravy for this. I have taken 1.5 cups of scraped coconut and some 10 to 15 pieces of small onion. Based on the quantity of vegetables we take, we can make changes in the quantity of gravy as well. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Then we can add chili powder 2 tablespoons and coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Grind this mix well, and then I am soaking a lemon sized piece of tamarind in water for some time. By this method, we get the same taste as that of a fish curry, and we can get rid of the effort needed to clean the fish, especially on lazy days. Let's add the tamarind water as well. If we have marinated fish in freezer, we can keep it outside now, and by the time curry is ready, we can fry the fish and have a splendid meal. Let this curry cook for some time. Along with this, I am adding fenugreek powder and cumin seeds powder. We need to add salt at this stage as per our choice. I have added fenugreek powder here to get the authentic taste of traditional fish curry. It will take 15 to 20 minutes for the vegetables to cook, and by that time we will get a nice aroma of a fish curry as well. In 20 minutes, the vegetables cooked well and the gravy becomes thickened. By that time, we can switch off the flame. While switching off the flame, I am adding curry leaves and coconut oil and immediately cover the lid. We need to cover the lid immediately so that the flavor and aroma will stay there. You will definitely like this recipe, and next we will move on to the two curries which we can prepare with elephant yam. For the first type of yam preparation, I have cut the yam pieces into lengthwise and adding chili powder. Chili powder I have taken 2 tablespoons here, and then salt as per our choice. I am adding half cup of water and 2 pieces of onion. Just add all these things and close the lid of cooker. With just one whistle, we can switch off the flame. Once the pressure released completely, I'll add curry leaves and coconut oil into it and cover the lid immediately. And that's it. Our tasty yam curry is ready. For the second type of yam preparation, I have cut it into square shape and adding 1/4 cup of water. Just add salt as per our choice. Once it's cooked well, we need to add coconut paste into it. For that, I have taken 1/4 piece of a whole coconut. Then I am adding a piece of ginger, green chili 1 piece, cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, few curry leaves, and 3 pods of garlic. Grind this mixture well and keep it aside. Once the pressure released, keep a pan and add coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, we need to add this grinded mixture into this. And we need to roast this coconut mixture well. Once the mix is roasted well, add the cooked yam into it. And if salt is required, we need to add at this stage. Add a bit of water if required. That's it. You might have noticed that I didn't add turmeric powder, but the green color came from the curry leaves. Now in a small pan, I am adding coconut oil and then splatter mustard seeds. Add curry leaves and dried red chili. And then add it into our yam. So today we have seen 3 different kinds of vegetable curries, and I hope you like all these recipes, and if yes, please like the video, and if any suggestions, let me know by comments. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do that and support. Thank you so much. We will see you soon.